How's it going, guys? I guess this will be part 4 of the lowering of old Red here. I got an extra day off work. Don't ask. But anyway, we're gonna start on the front today. See if we can get this lowered and done. This really isn't too bad. I've done this a couple times. This really isn't too awfully bad, but you do have to get it realigned after you're done. Let's flip this camera around. Alright guys, so let's see. What's my height on my fender here? Height on the fender is about 30. Oh, that's close enough to 31. 31 and a half. Okay. So we got 31 and a half. You got the bad Carolina squat going on this thing. It's driving me nuts. Okay, so we got the control arms out here, and they usually say L and R on them, but these don't, so I had to look up the part number. But the 84 is the passenger side and the 85 is the driver's side. So let's look at these real quick. These are stock van control arms, brand spanking new. Okay, I'm gonna have to take off that little nub there, and then up here close, right in this area, I gotta drill 2 holes for that strut arm that comes off the front of the truck, and they bolt right in. Now when you go to the junkyard, you get the hardware and stuff, but what I gotta do is I gotta get this pulled apart, and I'm gonna run down to the supply house after I get it pulled apart and get one of the lower control arm bolts out, take it down to the supply house because I need a 3/4, but I don't know how long it is, so I'll cover that in this video. That way y'all be able, if y'all are doing this, y'all be able to just go get the bolt before you even start. So anyway, let's get the truck up in the air, get the wheels off of it, and start tearing stuff apart. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, now, like I said before, we gotta take this bump stop off here, and we'll have to take it off underneath the truck too. So I'm gonna just take my wheel here and just knock that off, cut it off smooth. That way everything fits right. So it goes towards the back, but you gotta cut this off, and then you gotta take the stops off from underneath the truck, and we'll get into that later.